with a smile. There is no need to cry for a trifle more than this. Will you still recall my name? And the moment it all began with you release me with a kiss. Have I tried to throw the fear? If I ever could have felt, did I feel the consequence? Days by careless words causing my mind. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. Now you shape the living walks, feed it out with carrot grass. Sweet devotion, my delight. Oh, you're such a pretty one, and the nectar through the flesh. Your skin will tease me through the night. I will hate to leave you bare. If you need me, I'll be there. Don't you ever let me down. Days by careless words causing my mind. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. I don't mind, I think so. I will let you go. And I touch your face, not clothing mine from lace, Mary Jane. And I'll call your name, like addicted to cocaine, copper, software, and the slave. And I touch your face, not cutting mine from lace, Mary Jane. And I call your name, by cocaine. A Vicenza, Luca Campanella alla chitarra, Riccardo Quagliato alla batteria, Stefano Panissa al basso. Qui invece a Padova, solo grazie a Redder, Filippo Rolando al violino, Ivan Zuccarato alle tastiere, Maria da Rovere alla voce. Grazie alla banda ultralarga di Redder per questa cosa straordinaria e unica.